welcome back to the Hair Necessities. My name is Lisa Marie. I am not a hairstylist, I am just a dance teacher who has spent a lifetime learning how to do creative things with hair, and it is my goal here to get you to be a little bit more adventurous with your hairstyles for classes, rehearsals and performances. If that sounds like your thing, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. Today we are going to be doing my top 5 summer hair hacks. This week has been crazy hot in the UK, so I thought what better time to take you through my top 5 summer hair hacks. Hack number 1 is to learn how to do the easiest messy bun there is. This can be wherever on your head you want it to be. So what you do is get your hair into a basic ponytail. Then on the final loop of your hair elastic, only pull the hair halfway. Then take the remaining tail and tuck it up into the hairband. From there you can arrange it slightly, use some hairpins or some spin pins just to get it in place. And this is a really easy way to get all the hair off your face and off the back of your neck so that you're not sweltering in the heat of class. Hack number 2 is to get yourself one of these. This is called a cooling towel and you can use it as a hairband. So what you do is you wet it, wring it out and then flick it. And what this does is the towel then becomes cool to the touch and also dry to the touch. What you can then do is fold this and use it as a hairband. That way you will have a cooling strip across your head and the tails will go across the back of your neck to cool you down if you are doing class in the middle of summer, or if you've maybe got rehearsals that you've got to get to outside. This is a really easy one. It doesn't need charging up. All you need is to be able to wet it, wring it and flick it. And every time it starts to feel like it's getting warmer, just flick it again and it'll reactivate the cooling. Hack number 3 is to get yourself a hair SPF. Now I use the Malibu SPF Clear Hair and Scalp Protector. There is a trick to putting this on. What you want to do is with your hair, once it's been kind of dried, is to split your hair so that you've got a parting and then spritz this into the parting. Then split it again, spritz it into the parting and continue doing that throughout the whole of your head. Don't forget to pay some extra attention to the crown and then put an extra few spritzes over your hair itself. This stuff doesn't leave any greasy residue, you don't even know it's there, and it will help protect your hair and scalp from the damaging harm of the sun, especially if you're taking class outside. Hack number 4, we are going to be using a seam ripper. Now these are a sewing accessory. They've got a little hook, I don't know if you can see that. So it's a little hook that is normally used if you've made a mistake in sewing so that you can rip out all the stitches. But these are brilliant for getting out clear hair elastics. So those little clear hair elastics that we use for the ends of braids can cause a lot of hair breakage when you pull them out. And they're not easily reusable again. So what we're going to do is pop the hook of this into your hair elastic and push it up. It will snap the elastic for you and that way your hair will come out without any damage to your hair. And finally, hack number 5, best way to get rid of frizz is to take hairspray, spray it directly onto your hairbrush and then brush it through your hair, and that will tame a lot of the frizzy bits that you have got floating around your hair. Thank you so much for joining me here today on the Hair Necessities. I'm sorry we haven't done a really in-depth hairstyle, but I hope you will find these 5 hair hacks for summer really useful if you are doing classes, rehearsals or performances during the heat. I know with COVID at the moment nobody is performing, but you could be doing little live streams or Zooms, so these hopefully will be able to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, and I will see you next time on the Hair Necessities.